Good morning! Ha 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 ha. Wake Dio up, stupid Dio. It's food time. Longanisa and egg and rice, Filipino. We're going to a massage spa. And they're supposed to be boarding, but they're loafing. You have your phone on you later, okay? Yeah. I'll call you when we're done. Spa time!
They are by the van.
Massage spa. We're going to the massage. It's so quiet.
Asa ako naga?
Hello.
Okay, Lita, you're going to have 1 hour massage and you're going to be with Joanna. Enjoy. Enjoy. You're having.
And then, whoever, I'll just
said, what's my birthday?
Snowboarded already and she fell hard.
snapped.
Let's take a bite of it.
Serious. Did you fall early or just like before you left? Oh god.
No, I fell and then
Really?
like,
No, take a bite out of it. It's
okay, that was the best
it's like chewy.
I really need to take a break.
Aw.
Huh?
Good timing because I just got home. Yay. But now it's cheesecake time. And then we're gonna go to Walmart after. Sick. We just came back from boarding. And Leans has a poop stain. Let's see her poop stain. She couldn't hold it in, guys. Sexy. Why are you sniffing it?
What's poo?
And it's white too. You have to like scrub it out.
Take a picture of it.
Serious. Yeah, guys, she couldn't hold it, so that's what happens when you're all the way up there. Too bad I didn't take my camera upstairs because there's a thing like up onto the hills. Like if it wasn't so cold, holy crap. But there is a beaver tail stand up on top where people can buy beaver tails and eat up there, and it was freaking freezing.
Oh my god.
What? I'm good. Yay. But yeah, we're leaving tomorrow. We're just packing up our foods and stuff. I was gonna soup too. And I have my Starbucks. Yay! Yay! Hey Dio, what you eating?
Poop stain.
He's eating poop stain.
You have to turn on the light there, please.
How do you turn it on?
There's a switch.
Oh. Got it.
Sweet. Sweet Dale.
Yeah, man.
It's really dark in here.
See you tomorrow.
Are you still taking pictures?
I don't know if you can see it. Dark. But he also fell on the ice, or I fell on my tailbone. But his is growing a bump. So he looks like he has a third knee now.
And I
Oh my god, look at them. So much.
Yeah.
I'm better than her, so I didn't stop.
Yeah, I stopped. I sat down for like a good 3 minutes. I was like, my bum. Oh, phone. It could be Dio. We're going home now. We're just packing up the rest of the stuff. And Dio's folding the stuff. What a nice guy. Yeah, I don't think we're gonna fit everything because Dio's coming in our car now. Yay! Now we're squished with Lance and Dio, who went to go pee first. And Inky's back there now.
What up?
Playing Game Dev Story.
Yeah.